Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to teach you very beneficial and useful technique for you. If someone grab you from behind like this, then how you can defend yourself effectively. We have tested this technique many times and it worked really well. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. You need a bit of strength to perform it properly. If you do gym or practice martial art, you will be able to apply this technique more easily. If you are a beginner or don't have any much strength, don't worry, we will also bring you an easy technique that anyone can do easily. So let's start the technique. If you are in a fight position or are you walking in a street and suddenly someone grab you from the behind and control your both arms and lift you up like this position, then immediately keep your one leg on his thigh as you can see in the video and lock his leg with your second leg like this. Now resist your body here, and when his grip little loosen, also grab his arm with your hands. Now immediately keep your legs down and keep your leg in this position, one leg behind his knee. Now lift him up with your shoulder stand. When you throw him down, here his balance is going out and he will be fall down like this. Now here he's fully under of your control and lock his arm like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes, when you grab, keep your leg here, settle leg back, resist your body and put your body down, grab his arm, now. Guys, now this clip is very amazing for you because in this clip we will apply this technique. It will be work or not in real situation. Now let's try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.